Okay, here we go with number 5. If you look here on our handout that you have both an electronic copy of and a paper copy of, you'll see that 5 can look kind of intimidating. I know I've had a few people complete it already. I told them I wanted them to see my model before they actually submitted their work in for a grade to make sure that everything looks the way it is. The front view here is 3 blocks wide, 3 blocks high, kind of a tower there. You'll notice on the side view, the 3rd level is in the very front of the object and in the very back. You'll notice in the back of the object that 3rd level is narrow for some reason. If you look over here on the top view, you'll see on that 3rd level that in the front it must be a cylinder, and in the back it must be a half cylinder, and it's off to the side. So let's get this thing started and see how it goes. Hopefully I don't mess up myself. I'm going to go to Inventor on the desktop. So it's early morning, I don't already have it open. So give it a moment to do that. And then we'll start making our parts. So I believe we have 3 cubes going on the base, and they're going to go front to back. So we'll start out that way. I'll go New, Standard IPT, Create. We also have 2 triangles coming off the sides of the front view, and they look like they're on the very front of the object. So we'll try and make this proportionally correct to the sides. So I'm going to go Pencil, Front View. We'll start with 3 boxes, 1 box at a time. Center, 1, Enter. Little house. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, Enter. Okay, so I'm going to bring these blocks to the back. So I'm going to swing around it back there, click on the back of my object, rectangle, corner to corner, finish sketch, extrude, comes off the back, and I'm going to stay on the back there, pencil, click on the box, rectangle, corner to corner. And remember, it's coming out the back. So finish sketch. Little house that'll swing it around so it's back to the front now. Then I can see my extrusion come out the back. Check that, that looks okay. So it's 3 wide, front to back. Let's put the 2 triangles in the front. We're going to try and do this in 1 step. Let's see how it goes. Click on the pencil, click on the front plane. I'm going to do a horizontal line, come straight out at 1 inch. Swing it up as a triangle, swing it back down. Do the same thing over here on the left. Horizontal line is 1 inch. We're going to swing it up and back down. Let's see if they will extrude together. See how my luck goes this morning. Extrude. That needs to be direction 2. That swings that triangle back. And it's not going to let me do it, is it? I didn't want to play nice this morning. So I'm going to go back and do my other triangle. Sometimes I can get it to do both at the same time. So I have it on one side. I'm going to do it on the other side. The program is not always consistent, and that's really weird. We saw that the other day when I extruded that hole out, constrained it at 1 inch, did a further extrusion and it was 2 inches deep. All right, go extrude, goes forward, we're going to make it go back. Okay, so here's the base of our object. There's going to be a cube coming out this side. Let's go ahead and make this whole base because there's going to be a cube stacked on a cube with a half cylinder on top of it. That way, tab 1, enter, finish sketch, extrude, out the side. And we're going to check that. Okay, we're going to have a cube on top of there. Let's get a good view at that. Pencil. Click right there. Rectangle. Corner to corner. Finish sketch. We're going to extrude this one up. And that's going to have a half cylinder up here. So pencil. Click on that. Make sure we're set to 3-point arc. We're going to go endpoint to endpoint, 0.5. Close it with a line so we have the profile. Finish sketch. Extrude that up. Okay, we now have our 3 layers with that tab. We're going to have a cube here with a cylinder on top of that, so we'll go pencil. We'll click right there. Rectangle. Make sure it's 1 by 1. Little house. Finish sketch. Extrude. Pop that one right up. We'll check that. And there's going to be a cylinder on top of that. So pencil, click on top of that, go circle, watch for your guidelines so you know you have it centered, 1-inch diameter, little house, finish sketch, we'll extrude that up. Then right here in the middle is going to be a cube with a hole in it. That might be our last part. We'll have to analyze this real good once we get it done. Pencil. Look right there. We'll go rectangle. Do that corner there. That corner there. Make sure it says 1 by 1. Check that. Little house. Finish sketch. Glitchy and not let me click on it. What went wrong? We get this sometimes. I'm going to work my way around that though. Well, maybe I need to click on extrude. Ha! Good morning. Okay, check that. And it gets a point right in the middle of that for the hole. Click on that. We're going to go to point. Okay, it is not going to give us, see how it goes down there, so we're not going to get the right center. We get this vertical center, we're not getting the right horizontal center, so we're going to have to constrain that with a dimension. So I'll place my point, I'll go to dimension, and this should be 0.5. Finish sketch. We're going to go to the hole tool, 1/4 inch, depth is 1 inch. I'm good with that. Alright, so we're going to look and see if this is done. I'm going to go to my front view and compare it to my handout. And see, 3 blocks wide, 3 tall on the right. That looks good. Go to my top view. 3 wide, narrow in the middle, 2 out the back, and I'll go to my right side view, 3 tall on the right, 3 tall on the left, 2 in the middle. like I got this. So we'll give it a pretty color. Let's see. Whoop. Moving slow. Indoor pool. All right, indoor pool. No, I don't like indoor pool at all. All right. Light red. Okay. So now we'll go to our snipping tool. It's kind of a big one, so you got to make sure it fits in your box. Edit, copy. We'll go to our PowerPoint. Down here, new slide. This will be part 5. There we go. I have finished my PowerPoint. I am ready to turn that in. Hopefully, you will have the same good luck that I did.